So hi guys. I'm Teen Tech Review. Before starting today's video, let me ask you a simple question. What more does a gamer need than a pair of professional headphones, right? Today in this video, headphones, right? So here we have it, the Maono Gaming headphones, which are priced as just $999, and the features are really great, man. So before any further ado, let's get to the video. Looking at the box on the front side, we can see some of its specs that show that it can be connected with smartphone, PC, notebook, PlayStation. Looking at the back side, we can see some of its other specs. You can pause the video and read them. To the next side, we have some other specs that they show that the headphones have easy volume slider, adjustable microphone, soft leather ear pads, LED lights and a lot more. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. So opening up the box, we see the headphones, user manual and a customer care info. So let's get to the overview. So here are the headphones. On both sides we can see some blue LED strips that give nice glow when the LEDs are on. Over to the top we have a plastic length adjuster so that the headphone can easily fit your head. It also have a nice cushioning under the headset, so the headphones feel super comfortable to wear. Then over here we have a microphone which also have the same LED strips that are found on the sides. Then there are the ear cups. They are quite big, 40 mm to be exact, so they'll easily fit your ears and will be super comfortable too. Then let's come on the wire. The headphones have a 2.1 meter long braided cable. So that means it will be pretty durable. We can see two connections. One is a 3.5 mm cable and another is a USB cable. USB cable can be used to turn on the LEDs. Then we also have a mic control and a volume control slider on the cable. We also get an extra extender in the box using which we can connect the mic to the PC. So if you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.